Hello viewers, welcome to our channel Try to Learn. In this video, we will learn a very important part of English vocabulary, vowels and consonants. There are 26 letters or alphabets in the English alphabet system. Out of 26, 5 are vowels and the rest, that means 21 letters, are consonants. Vowels are the letters or alphabets that allow the air to flow freely, causing the chin to drop noticeably, while consonants are letters or alphabets in which sounds are produced by restricting the airflow. Now, let's start learning all the vowels and consonants. We have 5 vowels in our alphabet system: A, E, I, O, U. And the rest of the letters in the alphabet, that is 21 numbers, are consonants. Those are B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y and Z.